if you had to feed your family with nothing but your commission check, I know some of you guys are part-time in this, some of you guys have a job and you're selling as an affiliate on the side, but if you had to feed your family on just your affiliate commission check, that was it, and you had 100 days to do it and figure it out, like what would you do? Right? That was kind of the premise of the question. And so we had 15 of our super affiliates, people who are dream car winners, people who have made tons of money as affiliate for ClickFunnels, go through and walk through their step-by-step blueprint and their plan. And these blueprints are amazing. And when you come here to this video, check this out. This is a video I'm really proud of, and you're going to want to watch it. So click on the button because it's one of the most engaging videos that I've ever done. Just kidding, I have no idea. Maybe you don't like it, but hopefully you guys watch it. It's kind of cool as a way to do a sales video as well. I know twice I've walked by and I have what's the next card say? I keep reading it and reading it. You're going to have to read the whole thing. But then after you do, you'll be pumped. So that's kind of it. So watch the video and scroll down, and then you opt in. It's free. I'm not charging you a penny. You opt in, and then we're going to give you access to the summit. The summit has got all these different amazing affiliates walking through their blueprints. So scroll down here. I'm going to show you some of them. Here they are. Boom. You got Mr. Steven Larson. This guy's going to talk about how he's a super affiliate. You got Dave, you got Rachel, you got Peng Jun, you got Jim, you got Greg, you got Jacob, Dana, Joe, Spencer, Marley, JR, Josh, Tyler, and Billy Jean, all showing us how to be super affiliates inside of ClickFunnels. And what's cool about it is everyone's got kind of their own style, the way they do it, right? The way that Peng Jun does it is different than Billy Jean, different than Steven, different than Spencer. Yet all of them have been super, super successful. So you may look at me and be like, Russell, I don't understand your training. You talk too fast, but I get Spencer Meekum. Like, Spencer's the man, right? Spencer's actually right now our #1 affiliate. This guy right here, he is killing it. And the way he does affiliate marketing, completely different than how I do it. Okay, so everyone's got a different process and path and way they do it. So for you, basically sign up for free. I have one of my blueprints in there. Watch my blueprint. I'll kind of explain what I do. Watch all these ones and figure out like who do you connect with the most. And then you're like, oh my gosh, this is the person. Like, check this out. This is Joe Marfolio. So Joe does all my YouTube videos. He's also a 2-comma winner. There's his trophy back here. And he basically literally does all my YouTube videos. He's the guy who goes and changes my descriptions, my headlines, my titles. He gets all our videos to rank. He gets tons of views. We just passed 100,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel because of this man right here. And he's going to walk you through how he does affiliate marketing with YouTube. So literally, like, it doesn't matter. There's a ton of different plans and paths and processes. You just got to pick which one you like the most and then go deep on it. And if you do that, then my goal for you is this. Is to change this thing from being a hobby where you're dabbling and kind of trying to figure things out and turn it into your full-time career. Okay, but you've got to take this seriously. And again, I wish I was charging $1,000. I think if you pay $1,000, you take it more seriously. But I want you to do this. I'm going to give it to you. I'm just going to like wipe the bill clean. It is now free for you. You got to come though and go through the whole training. I just ask that you go through it.